I used to see you fuck in the shade of the trees, from the lights and the leaves to the bites on your knees. Kill the universe, might get a sight of the breeze. You're not psychic, you're free.
Hey guys, it's your boy Killer Snake here, back with another video. And before we start the video, I just want to let you guys know I am the Greenville car. So I can't talk today. Greenville car review videos are coming today, as well as on Monday. Greenville Roleplay Part 2 is coming out on Monday. Alright, so if you guys want to know, that's when it's coming out on Monday. When it is coming out, alright. I wanted to do some more Dragon Ball Z Legends on my channel, just because I haven't done my Dragon Ball Z Legends in a while. I really wanted to do some more of it in this video, So here we are. So I want to see. This is just to see if you guys like this game. You know, I love this game. If you guys don't know already, I'm a big anime fan. So I love anime, and this is a game about anime. So you all know I'm gonna play it. So I just wanted to put this out there, and it's a great game. It's a fighting game. And it's taking a break from Roblox and doing something different. Those 2 videos are coming out today, so look forward to that. Let's see. Let's train up Kale. Or no. 300 Sparkling Trunks Kale. Trunks. Yeah, let's train my boy Trunks up. Okay, so what we'll be doing in this video today, guys, we're going to be doing PvP and a little bit of story mode to level up our characters. So we're going to do casual PvP, so we can do some training up in here, and let's do it. Y'all ready? You guys think we can win? Do you guys really think we can? I think we can win. You guys think I can win? Is what you guys think too? Oh, snap. Okay, I gotta use all my highest level, guys. 3, 5. No. Boom, boom, boom. I don't know. Oh, crap. I wanted to use second form, final form cooler. But I gotta use Frieza, final form Frieza, because I have one level 2000, which is Dragon Ball's what's it, Super Broly's movie Broly. But I thought I heard some guys. Alright, so let's hope this works. You can't beat me, son. You don't got the skills. You just gotta stand there and take it. Oh, I see. Oh, all right. I see. Oh, I see you. I see you. I see you, Goku. I see you making a move. Okay, we're trying to show this clown, Broly. Oh, I see you. I see you. I see you. Oh, crap. All right. Chillax. What? I dodged that. Oh. I'm losing so badly, guys. Fine, I'll show you my power, Goku. What? No! Oh, you son of a thief. What the heck? Some kind of glitch. I'm gonna lose, but I want to lose with style. I'm gonna lose with style, guys. I'm gonna lose with style. Dang, well, hold up. Oh. I lost, guys. I lost the first PvP, Johns. I lost. I got mollywopped. Guys, you guys see that? I just got mollywopped. Alright, you know, we'll try again. Let's try this again. Alright, so we're gonna lead with Cooler, just because I want to use that final form Cooler. Second form Cooler. What about his other form? What piece red? We'll use Broly, and I think that's a good set team. I want to go with just to go with it. I'm using the should I say you could use final form Cooler? No, or pretty much final form Cooler. And his second form, if you got, so we'll use those two guys. Hopefully we can win this. I just lost. I normally don't play like that. I'm normally a lot better, but I haven't played this game all day. Like, it's been a day or two since I played this game, so I'm out of practice. Oh, hold up. I was doing it. The game was cheating now. I was doing the swipe and it wasn't working. Alright. My energy recharge. Alright. I see you. I see you with the super. I see you. Come on, Goku. Super Saiyan 3, Goku. Oh, he didn't dodge that? No, you're not. Oh, how you like that, son? Oh. How you like that, huh? Yeah, I'm winning this, son. I gotta win. That's how you. Alright, we got some practice in. Y'all have been practicing. Go here, okay, oh, we're about to get ready. Here we go. Cooler's about to be level 300. Boom, 300. There you go. $600. Oh, sweet. Who's not? What's Kale? Where are you, Kale? Kale, my girl. Where are you, babe? Where are you, girl? Kale. Kale. Where are you? Here, you're next. Turn you up to max. I'm gonna solo boost my boy Cooler. Then we're gonna go and level up some characters so we can get a little bit of levels up. Or maybe we can, yeah. Maybe we can, maybe get some cool stuff going on, you know? Oh, come on. It's BS. Now I gotta freaking, whatever. Let's use a different team. How we use Kale. Boom. They want to use Trunks, Kale. We're going to use Super Saiyan 3 Goku. And we cool. I'm going to mollywop them. Get some levels up on my character, on my guys. We're good, guys. We're going strong. We're going strong. I hope you guys like this video. I really guys hope you like this game. It's a great game. Believe me. I like to do mobile games on my channel sometimes. So don't worry. Roblox Greenville videos are coming today. So don't be upset. You know they are coming. So you can chillax. Oh, I hit the. Dang, I thought you got a competition. Dang it.
My power is skyrocketing.
Wow, that was a good solid win with Kale. That was a good solid win. Hampton, that was a good solid win. You know what? We're gonna do 2 more PvP matches. One with Kale, other one with the other cooler guy, and we'll end the video there. After that, we're gonna use this team. We're gonna lose. But I don't care. So we're gonna use Kale. We're gonna use Super Saiyan 2 Super Saiyan 2 Team Gohan, and Super Saiyan 3 Goku. I'm going to be using Zamasu. All right. Let's see if he uses Zamasu. He may use Zamasu, my dudes. He may use Zamasu. After this, we'll do the second last PvP match of the video will be a rating match, not practice. So that way we can go in and get some points and raise up our level. All right, let's see what you got. Yo, female Broly versus male Broly. This is gonna be fun. No! You dick. Okay, you did a good job. You took out Kale that quickly. Well, that's okay. It's my turn to kick your butt. Oh, hello, Vegeta. What the heck was that? The game's cheating a little bit now. That's cheating. It was like lagging hardcore. Oh, stop. Should have said the game's being weird. Sometimes that happens, guys. It's not the game, really. It's actually your opponent has a bad internet connection. Like, a lot of times my opponent has a very bad internet connection, and that's why... I may lose this, guys. I may not win.
My turn. You want to see my true power that badly?
Get him! Get him! What the flush was that? This game is lagging hardcore. Like, come on, stop. My freaking opponent probably has a bad connection.
There aren't many who can fight me as an equal.
You won because you freaking cheated. You're using some kind of lag stuff, whatever. I don't care. Rating. Oh, no. Back. Wrong team. This team, yes. We're using this team. What? The flush. You can't. Why are you telling me that? The battle's over. I already know he had a bad internet connection. Alright, so. Oh, come on. Y'all be a little 2000? I'm using cooler anyway. I don't care. I'm using cooler anyway. He got Boo? Oh, Christ. This could be a tough fight. He got Boo and Super Saiyan Gotenks. I mean, he got Super Saiyan Bardock, Super Gogeta, Super Saiyan Majin Vegeta, Boo, Super Saiyan God Goku, and Super Saiyan Gotenks, as well as Super Saiyan Bardock. Okay, I can work with this. Hopefully, I can work with this. I can work with this. I can work with this 100%. I can work with this.
Let's get down to business. I am the strongest in the universe.
Bro, you're not the strongest in the universe. You thought you were killing Cooler, didn't you? Huh? Is that what you thought, Vegeta, huh? Alright, I'll take the hits. No, you ain't, Bart. You're not taking me down. Oh, crap. What the heck? Oh, you can't dodge this, can you, Bardock? Yes! Yeah. Battery's low, whatever. Oh, eat that, boy. Oh, I meant to put the green card. Oh, well. Doesn't matter if I did or not. I will. No, Frieza! Frieza! Dude, don't be saying stuff like that. Are you gonna attack me or what?
up for longer.
Oh, I lost. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are new, please subscribe. Alright? And hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Make sure you guys comment on my videos. And Greenville, the 2 Greenville car review videos are coming today. Do not worry as well. And make sure you guys